MathKlik.
Mabuhay! What are other set operations? How do we find difference of two sets? This lesson is about set operation, difference of two sets. The difference of two sets A and B is the set whose elements belong to set A but which do not belong to set B. Let's illustrate this with a Venn diagram. Consider set A, which is the yellow shaded area. From this set, part of it that belongs to set B is removed. The result is set A minus set B. The difference is represented by the remaining yellow part in the Venn diagram. And this is how we write the difference of A and B in symbols, which is read as A minus B. Let us explain this set operation. Consider set A with elements W, E, A, L, T, H. B with elements F, A, I, T, H. And C with elements S, A, D. To determine A minus B, let's inspect the elements of the two sets. Now, ask yourself, ano-anong element ng A ang wala sa B? The resulting set A minus B can be determined by inspecting the elements of the two sets. W is in A, but not in B. E is in A, but not in B. And L is in A, but not in B. These elements, W, E, and L, made up A minus B. What about B minus C? Let's inspect the elements of sets B and C. Ano-anong element ng set B ang wala sa set C? F is in B but not in C. I is in B but not in C. P is in B but not in C. And H is in B but not in C. Hence, B minus C is the set whose elements are F, I, T, and H. Here is another example. In the Venn diagram, shade the relation A minus the quantity B minus C. To determine A minus the quantity B minus C, first, find B minus C. Here, we ask, which area is in B that is not in C? The green region is set C. The blue region is set B. The only area in set B that is not in set C is this area. Next, we ask, which area in A that is not in B minus C? Remember, the remaining blue region is B minus C, and the red region is set A. The only area in set A that is not in B minus C is this. And this is the area A minus the quantity B minus C. Now, try this. If L is a set whose elements are 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on until the elements 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32. And set M whose elements are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, and so on until the elements 36, 39, 42, 45, 48. Find L minus M. L minus M is a set whose elements are 2, 4, 8, 10, 14, 16, 20, 22, 26, 28, and 32. Using the same problem, this time, instead of finding L minus M, we will find M minus L. M minus L is a set whose elements are 3, 9, 15, 21, 27, 33, 36, 39, 42, 45, and 48. For more matitinik tips, just click MathKlik. And please, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for our next video lesson. See ya!